What's up, guys? We just got back from fishing. He's the only one that caught anything. We got in trouble by one person. Well, not really in trouble. He just told us we couldn't fish there. And we caught like one little fish. How long do you think it was? It was like 2 centimeters. And we're cooking right now.
I think it's done.
But yeah, we're gonna do a catching cook. Well, we didn't do a really catching cook, but we'll do that like tonight or something. And yeah. So
You're gonna go back there.
all right. Yeah, and we're gonna do the taste test like once we get it off and stuff. It's a little bitty thing, so it ain't gonna do us much good. No, you won't. It's gonna get it out.
He dropped the fork. Oh my! It's hot.
Today you are cooking with Jordan. I already got it played out. First of all, what? I got it played out. Oh. You're cooking with Gordon Ramsay today. Gordon Ramsay, boys. Yeah.
It might have been a little bit overdone, but.
Yeah. I'm still gonna eat it. We're still gonna eat it. There's yours. Alright, boys. That's the fish.
Where are we going? Yeah, it's a little overdone, guys.
Yeah. We burnt it. We burnt it. Who cares? Alright. Let me get it set up. Need a good old angle. Right there would be perfect, but I ain't got nothing to hold it. Alright. This is its taste. Tastes like fish though. Burnt with it. Yeah.
It's overdone, I can hear it.
Yeah. Probably shouldn't have cooked it that long.
I'm still gonna make a cookie today.
Okay. Did you eat the bones?
I ate something. What do I do with all this stuff? Here, just bring it over here. Pour it down.
And yeah. That's the video for today, boys.
But, yeah, we'll do that. It's
Well, I'll make another video later. So, like and subscribe. Turn on post notifications. We're done. Wait. Here's your favorite part. Smoke. And, yeah. See you later. Or tonight. Whatever you want to say. Alright.